Are you ready to simplify your IT infrastructure and make data migration faster, smarter, and stress free? Then you are in the right place. Hey, everybody, and welcome back to our channel where tech meets clarity. In today's video, we are diving into Scale Computing, the powerful platform that's transforming how businesses migrate workloads, consolidate systems, and manage virtualization all in one sleek solution. Whether you're an IT pro looking to streamline your data center or a business owner exploring scalable virtualization, this video will show you how scale computing makes it all possible without the usual headaches. So, let's explore the features, benefits, as scale computing will be your go-to migration platform. Let's begin by going to the official website of Scale Computing. On the top corner, you have multiple options. You can contact the sales department if you have any more questions. Click the trial software, request for a demo, and the pricing. We're gonna go to the pricing first, because before you dive into a big commitment, you may notice that Scale Computing offer all of these tiered pricing models. All right. So they offer the best value, which is going to be the professional essentials, starting at $5,600. The standard is around $249, and of course, the most popular is the professional service, which is going to be $312. So before you dive into a big commitment, I want you to click the trial software. What will happen is you will be forwarded here. So all you have to do to gain access to the Scale Computing platform, you need to provide all the information needed and click the submit button. Let me tell you right now that the access for the free trial platform is subject for approval. If your request has been approved, one of the sales experts will contact you and give you access. Otherwise, if you don't want to provide any details, or maybe you're not comfortable providing any details online, you still wanted to learn more about scale computing, don't worry, we got you. What we need to do right now is go to again back to the main homepage. And as you can see on the left side panel of the dashboard, we have the products, solutions, industries, ecosystem, services, support, partners, and reviews that we can explore. Okay? We're gonna go to the products first. All right, so let's deal with 4 products in here in Scale Computing, which is gonna be now. Let's go to the Scale Computing platform. This is gonna be the core software foundation of Scale Computing. All right, it has hyper-converged infrastructure or HCI solution, combining virtualization, storage, and computing into a single highly automated system. So it runs workload at the edge in data centers and across distributed locations. So you have like built-in virtualization, no need for VMware or Hyper-V. You have integrated storage in server management, and of course the best thing is it's easy to deploy, scale, and maintain. And then there is going to be the Scale Computing Fleet Manager. Now, this is going to be a cloud-based monitoring and management tool for managing scale computing platform deployments across different sites. So the idea is to manage distributed IT infrastructure from a single pane of glass. So you have like remote monitoring and health status of clusters, and inventory and version tracking, alerts, and centralized diagnostics, which is ideal for organizations with many remote or edge locations. And then there is going to be the SC or Scale Computing Hypercore. Okay, so this is going to be the underlying software layer within the SC platform that enables high availability, clustering, storage, and VM or virtual machine orchestration. So it ensures resilient and efficient operation of applications, lightweight, custom-built hypervisor, automated failover and recovery. So you have like real-time data redundancy, self-healing capabilities to minimize downtime. And then there is going to be the SC or Scale Computing Hardware. This is going to be the appliance and server infrastructure, provided by Scale Computing or certified hardware that runs Scale platform and the SC Hypercore. Now, it provides optimized physical resources for running the Scale's HCI software. Alright, so it is purpose built and validated for edge or data center use. It has various form factors like rack mount, mini, and a lot more. It's energy efficient and compact options for edge deployments, which is you have the option to run SC software and third-party softwares like Lenovo or Supermicro. Now, you see the solutions offers the edge computing, artificial intelligence, and of course business resilience until virtualization technology. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at them very quickly. The edge computing delivers compact, resilient infrastructure for remote and branch offices like retail locations or industrial environments where local pressing is critical. The artificial intelligence or AI supports AI workloads at the edge or data center. All right, so enabling real-time analysis and automation without needing centralized cloud processing. And then the business resilience ensures IT infrastructure continuity with integrated backup, failover, and disaster recovery, keeping applications running even during failures. The containers are lightweight software packages that contain code and dependencies to run consistently across environments. And then the data center are facility used to house computing and storage system. All right, and then the data and ransomware protection is a built-in backup, snapshots, and rapid recovery, ensuring data integrity and business continuity in case of malicious threats. And then there is going to be the higher performance. So these are faster computing speed and application responsiveness, optimized for resource utilization, which gives deliver performance for critical workloads. And then there is going to be the hybrid cloud, a mix of on-premise infrastructure and public and private cloud services. All right, and then there is the security, which measures to protect systems and data from unauthorized access or attacks, offering secure architecture with encryption. And then there is the video surveillance. Right, so I like this a lot because for one, it monitors a system using cameras and storage for security purposes. And then the virtual desktop infrastructure or VDI enables VDI deployments with a simplified management, high performance and lower cost compared to traditional VDI solutions. Last is going to be the virtualization technology. All right, this is going to be the core of Scale Computing's HC3 platform, integrating hypervisor, storage, and management into a single scalable solution. Now, with that being said, if you wanted to know more about the Scale Computing here in SC, I want you to go to the support. You have the FAQs, the ecosystem, and the industries, right? Services, partners, if you want to be a partner, for example, become a partner. I want you to take a look at it because you will be forwarded to a new page. If you want to be part of the Scale Computing platform, just provide your email address and one of the sales expert will contact you if in case you got approved. All right, let's go back to the main homepage again because these are the resources that you can look into Scale Computing. If you want to read success stories, data sheets, white papers, demos, platforms, and a lot more, you are welcome to do that. These are free, absolutely at no cost, especially the webinars. These are on-demand videos from industry speakers. For example, one of the best webinars is about next level VDI with a scale technology. All right, so click on it and you'll be able to view the webinar absolutely free at no cost. And with that being said, and that's a wrap on our dive into Scale Computing. If you're looking for a cost-effective, low maintenance, and a scalable solution, especially for distributed environments, then Scale Computing definitely deserves a spot on your list. But what do you think? Have you used Scale Computing before, or are you considering migrating to it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments and we'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and if this video helped you out, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss more tech tutorials just like this one. Again, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.